Namaste students, I hope you all are safe. Shweta here, your maths teacher. In your previous class, we started chapter 2. In that, we learned about what do you mean by whole number, what do you mean by natural number, and properties of whole number, and also some exercise sums we did. In this class, let us see what do you mean by pattern. See in your surrounding, so many patterns you can observe. Here, what do you mean by pattern? Means pattern may be sequenced in many ways. See, the meaning of sequence is it is arranged in an order wise. For example, see these examples. Shape. You can see the first example is shape. Shape you can observe here triangle, rectangle, and pentagon shape they took, and they are arranged in an order. First triangle, then rectangle, then pentagon. Again first triangle, then rectangle, pentagon. So like that it is arranged in an order wise. See shapes and color shapes and color also you can observe. First triangle is colored with green, then rectangle is colored with blue, pentagon is colored with pink. So again same thing it is repeated. Triangle, rectangle, uh, pentagon. Triangle is colored with green, blue, and pink. So this is called as order wise. Pattern is always arranged in an order wise. Color and rotation also you can observe. Number and rotation, and number by addition. Arithmetic sequence, it is also called as arithmetic sequence. Number by addition means here you have to do the addition, adding. 2 if you add plus 2 you will get 4. 4 if you add plus 2 you will get 6. For example 2 4 6 8 they will give. So the next number you have to find means you have to write the next number means how to find. You have to check the number what you are doing here. 2 if you add plus 2 you will get 4. 4 you add 2 you will get 6. 6 you add 2 you will get 8. 8 you add 2 you will get 10. So that is like that you have to check. Here addition you have to do, you have to understand. And number by multiplication, this is also called as geometric sequence. Multiplication you have to do multiply here. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. By seeing itself you can say that here you have to do a multiplication. See your arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence, you have a separate formula that you will study in your higher classes. Let us see pattern. Say I already told you observe so many things in your surrounding patterns. Like that only this flower is one of the example. You can see these flower petals. It is see that petals is exactly same. You can observe it is a looks like pattern. Patterns are all around us. Finding and understanding pattern gives us great power. With pattern, we can learn to predict the future, discover new things, and better understand the world around us. Right? And playing with pattern is fun. Number pattern using dots. Using the dots you have to arrange the number by using pattern. Let us see how to do that. Let's start representing each whole number with a set of dots and arranging the dots in some elementary shapes to find number pattern. See by using dot, by taking whole number you can represent the elementary shapes. Let us see how we can represent the shapes. For arranging these dots, we take strictly 4 shapes in account. Number can be arranged into a line, a rectangle, a square, and a triangle. So these are the 4 ways you can we can represent the dot. Line, first we will see line. Every number can be arranged in a line. See, number can be arranged in a line. The number 2 can be represented by, let us see how to represent by using dots. The number 2, 2 is a whole number and you have to represent by using dots. See, 2 dots. Number 3 can be represented by using 3 dots, and these 2 dots and 3 dots you can observe it is in a line, right? All other number can be represented in a similar pattern. This is a one of the pattern. Rectangle. Rectangle also you can arrange. Some number can be arranged as a rectangle. Example, number 6 can be arranged as a rectangle with 2 rows and 3 columns. Here 2 rows and 3 columns. Let us see. See here, it is looks like this dots you are arranged, no? So this is looks like rectangle, right? First, and here 2 rows. Always rows you have to take first. 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 threes are 6, so that is the reason 2 rows and 3 columns are there in this dot. So it is a rectangle. Like that only 12 means 3 fours are 12, so 3 rows and 4 columns on or a rectangle with 2 rows and 6 columns. See, 2 rows and 6 columns, it is 12. Similarly, it can be formed by 8, 10, 14, 15, etc. Square. Some number can be arranged as square. See here, not all numbers, some number can be arranged in a square. The number 4 can be represented. See how 4 can be represented means, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is looks like square, right? And number 9 can be represented by like this. See, 9 3 threes are 9, 2 twos are 4. See here, all square numbers we can represent it by using square. Let us see. 2 multiply with 2, 2 times if you multiply, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. Here 3 4 sorry 4 9 16 25 36, these are all square numbers. Why? See, for example, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, 6 6 are 36. See, 2 times you are multiplying, so 2 to the power of 2, 4 3 to the power of 2, 3 to, so it is a square number. All square number you can represent it by using square. Triangle. Some number can be arranged as triangle. Some number we can have represented by using dots as triangle also. See, 3, 1 2 3, it is looks like triangle, right? 6, you can observe here 6 also. Similarly, it can be formed 10, 15, 21, 28, etc. It is to be noted that the triangle should have its 2 sides equal. Triangle, its 2 sides equal means, then you can say you can write that dots by using triangle. See, here 2 sides means, here you can observe in a triangle, one side 3 dots is there, another side also 3 dots is there. And still number of dots in a row starting from the bottom row should be like 4 3 2 1. The top row should always have 1 dot. Okay. Which of the following will not represent 0? Let us move on the exercise sum. See which one we cannot represent the 0. Let us see now. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, if you add 1 to 0, you will get 1 only. It does not represent 0. 0 multiply with 0. Yes, it is 0. So it represents 0. 0 by 2. Any number answer as 0 only. So hence it is also represent 0. 10 minus 10 divides 2. Here 10 minus 10, the numerator 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10 is 0, right? 10 minus 10 is 0 in the numerator. 0 divides 2 is 0 only. So it is also represent 0. If the product of two whole number is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through example. See, here question is product of two whole number. If you take any two whole number, that number is 0. When it will be 0? Either it is one number, it will be 0 means the number will be 0, or both of the number it should be a 0. Then only answer will be get 0. You have to write that, you have to explain that by taking example. Let us see. If the product of two whole number is 0, definitely one of them is 0, because any number if you multiply with a 0, you will get 0 only. See, if you take two numbers, in that one number will be a 0 means obviously the answer will be a 0. And see, 0 multiply with 3 equals 0. Here one number is 0. 15 if you multiply with 0, you will get 0 only. So one number is 0. If the product of two whole number is 0, both of them may be 0, and both of the number will be a 0, then that is also a 0. Hence, as if the product of two whole number is 0, then both of them will be 0. If the product of two whole number is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justified through example. It is also one of the problem. Here, product means what? Multiplication. Product of two whole number. If you take two whole number, the answer will be a 1. If, they are asking, we say that one number, either it will be one number will be a 1. If you are taking two numbers, or it should be a both the number will be a 1. So here let us see solution. If the product of two whole number is 1, both the number should be equal to 1, because see, in this case only 1 multiply with 1, you will get the answer will be a 1. For example, see, 1 ones are 1, like that only. 1 multiply with 5, you will get 5 only. Any number you multiply with 1, you will get same number only. What number you multiply, that number only you will get. See, in this case both the numbers should be equal to 1, then only answer will be a 1. See, hence it's clear that the product of two whole number will be 1 only in this situation when both numbers to be multiplied are 1. Find using distributive property. Here you have to apply the distributive property and you have to answer this question. See, 728 multiply with 101. See here, the easiest number you take and you split, because distributive property means you have to split that number and you have to inside that number you have to multiply inside of the bracket and you have to simplify that. Now see here, 101 is the easiest number in this. So 101 can be split up into can be break up into 100 plus 1, right? 100 plus 1 is 101 only. So 728 you have to write like that only. 101 you have to write 100 plus 1 inside of the bracket. Again, then next step you have to add, you have to multiply that outside 728, that number you have to multiply inside of that bracket. For example, see, 728 multiply with 100, plus is there in the middle, plus again 728 you have to multiply with 1. See, inside of the bracket two numbers is there. The two numbers, whatever the number is there outside, that outside number you have to multiply with the two numbers also. Here that only I did. 728 is outside number and 100 plus 1 is inside number. Two numbers are there. So on 728 I multiply with 100 and plus is there in the middle, plus I write like that only. Again 728 I multiply with 1. So then 728 multiply with 100 is here 72,800 plus 728 multiply with 1, 728 only. Then again 72,800 plus 728 is 73,528. Like that only. Here next sum, 5,437 multiply with 1,001. So 5,437 and 1,001 is the easiest number. So 1,001 you split up, you break down into 1,000 plus 1. Again 5,437 inside the bracket you have to multiply. That is 5,437 multiply with 1,000, plus is there in the middle, plus you have to write like that only. Again 5,437 you have to multiply with 1 also. Then 5,437 multiply with 1,000 means you will get 54,37,000 plus 5,437 multiply with 1 means 5,437 only. Then again you both this both you 54,37,000 plus 5,437 if you add, you will get 54,42,437. See your pattern, study the pattern. Your pattern is 1 multiply with 8 plus 1 equals 9. See, in this 1 8s are 8 plus 1 is 9. Like that only 1 2 3 4 multiply with 8 plus 4. That number if you simplify you will get 9876. The answer you see 9876. So like that only write the next two step. Can you say how the pattern works? Here int they are given 1 2 3 4 5 equals 1 1 1 1 1. See here you can observe here how many digit number here 1 2 3 4 5 ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. It is a 10,000 digit number. See 10,000 times you have to write 111 plus again here you are expanding by taking 1 number 1 you are taking and you are expanding. See int 1 1 1 1 1 10,000 here ones place you have to fill it with 1 and tens place also 1 hundred place also 1 thousand place also 1 10,000 place also 1 like that only. Next thousand you have to write 1. So like that you are expanding here. This is the int, like this you have to do. So let us see 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiply with 8 plus 6 because here how many digit number it is 6 digit number. See 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have to add 6 here 1 2 3 4 is 4 digit number, so you are adding 4 here. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 is 6 digit number, multiply with 8 plus 6 is, so if you multiply this and you add the number you will get 987654. Like that only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 multiply with 8 plus 7 because it is 7 digit number, 7 you have to add. So answer you will get one number you have to less answer 9876543. So given 1 2 3 4 5 6 equals, see how they are given int. So like that if you expand that number and you have to simplify that. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiply with 8 equals, again that expanded form you have to multiply with 8. Then 8 you have to multiply inside of the bracket. So this step you will get. Then again you multiply with 8 that number you will get. See here here 88 here 88, sorry 8,88,888 plus 88,888 plus 8,888 plus 888 plus 88 plus 8, because you simplify this again you will get the answer. If you had that number you will get answer 987648. This is the checking part for see pattern works like this. For that purpose they are given like that only 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiply with 8 plus 6 equals 987648 plus 6, so that is 987654. Here the pattern works.